who really am I? And what is my relationship with nature? Should we love it or should we fear it? On one hand, the most beautiful things in the world are being provided by nature, and on the other hand, the greatest catastrophes of this world come about by nature. It's like this beautiful garland has lotus flowers on it. So beautiful. And a nice sunny day, people go to scenic places on holidays where there's beautiful beaches or trees, forests, the corporate headquarters of many companies, and I've seen all around the world, they usually have beautiful gardens around them. So that, because it's beautiful. Looking into a full moon starlit night, feeling a very nice ocean breeze, hearing the sweet singing of nightingales and cuckoos. It's very pacifying to the heart and to the mind. And then the next day, there's an earthquake. Or there's a massive cyclone with thunder and lightning, or a tsunami. So is nature nice or is nature not nice? Nature's both. But even if it remains very sunny and perfect temperature, and everything is beautiful, and the nightingales sing in the night, and the cuckoos sing in the day, still, by nature, the power of time is going to make everyone grow old, get diseased, and die. Padam padam yadvipadam natesham. Within this incredible beauty of nature, there's also danger at every step. We just don't know what's happening or what's going to happen. A massive tsunami can come and crash down and destroy your entire nation, a major part of it. Or a tiny little germ, a little virus bug that can't even be seen with the eyes, may be in your body, preparing to destroy it, and then to spread to others, and to create an entire epidemic. In Europe during the Middle Ages, about 1/3 of the population of the entire continent was destroyed by the bubonic plague. And Europe was a very, very powerful country at the time with militaries and kingdoms and armies. And who was spreading the bubonic plague? Fleas. It was little tiny fleas. Fleas are so small that they make mosquitoes look like elephants. They're tiny. And this little tiny flea that you can hardly see was spreading it around and destroyed 1/3 of human race in a powerful continent. So whether it's a gigantic cyclone, tidal wave, or a flea or a germ, there's always dangers in this world. And ultimately, time is invisible. You can't see it, you can't touch it, taste it, smell it, hear it. But it's so powerful that the most powerful militaries cannot stop it for a moment. You can't bribe it. You can't seduce it with beauty. You can't philosophically defeat it. Never stops. And with each moment, it's in the process of making the highest Himalayas into powder, drying the oceans, burning out the sun and every star in the sky and destroying the earth. That's the power of time. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, time I am. Mayadhyakshena prakriti suyate sacharacharam. Krishna says, ultimately this entire nature is working under my control. It's the most beautiful thing if we see it through the eyes of love. We understand it. Not only what we see, but why. This is what the Bhagavad Gita and the great saints teach us. Not only how material nature works, but why it works the way it does.
You were listening to Radhanath Swami on devotionalnectar.com.